Welcome back, Jenny and Ethan, to Randy's Robo School. It's great to have you both here.
Hi, Randy. What are we learning today?
Yeah, Randy. What's the lesson?
Today, we're going to learn all about AI safety and how to keep it fun and safe for everyone. Ready to explore?
Ready.
So, do you know what AI is?
I think it's like a super smart computer that can do a lot of things.
Yeah, like those robots in movies that can talk and do stuff for you.
Exactly. AI stands for artificial intelligence. It's like giving a computer a brain to help it think and learn. But just like with everything, we need to make sure AI is used safely. Let's see how. AI safety means making sure AI helps us in good ways and doesn't cause problems. Imagine having a pet dog. You teach it tricks, but you also make sure it doesn't bite anyone, right?
Yeah, we train it to be good.
Exactly, Jenny. We need to do the same with AI. Let's look at some important rules to keep AI safe for everyone. Rule number 1. Always have an adult around when you're using AI. It could be your parents, teachers, or guardians.
Why do we need an adult?
Good question, Ethan. Adults can help you understand if something is not right. For example, if a game starts asking for personal information, an adult can tell you to stop and stay safe. Rule number 2. Don't share personal information with AI or online. This includes your name, address, school, or any other private details.
But what if the game asks for my name?
If a game or app asks for your name, you can use a nickname instead. And always ask an adult before sharing any information. Rule number 3. Know what AI can and cannot do. AI can help with homework by giving you ideas or information, but it can't do your homework for you.
So, I still have to do my math problems?
That's right, Ethan. AI is a helper, not a replacement. It can make learning fun and easier, but you still need to learn and do things yourself. Let's look at an example. Say you're doing a school project about space. You can ask an AI assistant for interesting facts about planets.
Like, how many moons does Jupiter have?
Exactly. And the AI will tell you that Jupiter has 79 known moons. But remember, you still need to write your project and make it your own. Rule number 4. Be skeptical. Not everything AI says is correct. Always double-check the information with a reliable source or ask an adult.
What if the AI says something wrong?
That's why it's important to verify. For example, if an AI says there are 100 days in a year, you know that's wrong. Always use your knowledge and check with trusted sources. Rule number 5. Your mouse or touchpad is like a magic wand. Use it wisely. Click only on links from trusted sources. If something feels wrong or makes you uncomfortable, tell an adult right away. Whether it's a strange message or something that scares you, reporting it helps keep everyone safe. This way, you avoid any potential dangers online.
I can tell my teacher if something weird happens?
Absolutely. Teachers, parents, and guardians are there to help you. Remember, always click wisely. Rule number 6. In the world of AI and beyond, kindness is your superpower. Treat everyone online with respect, just like you'd in the real world.
Why is that important?
Because behind every screen is a person with feelings, just like you. Being kind makes the internet a better place for everyone. Let's have a quick quiz to see what you've learned. Ready?
Ready.
Should you share your home address with an AI game?
No.
Who should be with you when you're using AI?
An adult.
Can AI do your homework for you?
No, but it can help.
If AI says something strange, what should you do?
Check with a reliable source or ask an adult.
Great job, guys. Remember, AI can be a lot of fun and very helpful, but it's important to use it safely. Follow these rules, and you'll be an AI safety expert.
Thanks, Robot Randy. I learned a lot today.
Me too. AI safety is cool.
I'm glad to hear that. Stay safe. If you'd like to learn the basics of AI or advanced concepts such as machine learning, deep learning, and AI algorithms, check out our channel playlist. You can also find links in video description below. To see the topics covered in AI, please check the class board. This will help you choose the video you'd like to watch. To learn more about artificial intelligence, go to www.aieducationforkids.com. If you would like to read books and do some activity, then we have some wonderful collection of books on artificial intelligence like Introduction to AI, Brainy Bots, Fantastic Future, Building AI. These books will help you grow and explore the new world of artificial intelligence. You can find all the links and details in the video description below. If you like this video, then please click the like button. To get notifications for more such educational videos on AI, please hit the subscribe button. See you next time.